Salted caramel cake mix. I mean brownie mix.
You're still squishing this batter.
She's assaulting me right now while I'm trying to work for the community.
God, we forgot the freaking caramel.
Made a mistake.
What are you making, Sophia?
Not your brownies. And by the way, while you guys fucked up, I spilled a bunch of flour on the table, but you didn't look, and I cleaned it up before you even got
That's so fast. That's why there's water on the table?
Yes.
Okay, what's the next step? We're putting all the dry ingredients together?
I put flour in here already and baking powder, and now I'm putting salt because...
Enhances sweet flavor.
No.
This is
Because I can.
Now what are you doing?
putting matcha powder?
Oh, it's matcha. Now it says you should only put 2 tablespoons, but I'm a rebel. Oh, it gave me a little clump there.
Sophia texture.
Clumpy.
Yeah.
But put more than you want, you know, as much as you want.
Exactly. And these are going to be the most bitter things in the world.
Maybe not too much then.
I put 3
It's
teaspoons.
not really gonna be that bitter, I think.
That looks nice.
Yeah.
That bowl matches with the
sugar. Instead of brownies,
I really like
she's
this
making
Shrek
greenies.
The Shrek color really...
What's the next step, Sophia?
Stir. Although I don't really like this color, so I might put more.
Yes, please.
It's already very
Smells
light.
like matcha.
It smells like powder.
You know what? Don't even use a teaspoon anymore. Just freaking pour that shit.
We're
in there.
Asian.
We are... You should follow the recipe.
So, your eggs.
This imitation stuff, it smells really good, but you can't really taste it as much. Yeah.
Holy shit.
Is that vanilla extract?
Yeah.
Girl! You think these are gonna be like green? They're gonna be greenies.
1/4 cup. So half of that, yeah.
Half of this.
But I'm doubling this
That's a
recipe.
third. That's a third.
That's okay. You can just do a third.
We can just get one of the 1/4 cups. I'll get it. Brownies. Oh, I'm scared. We need the egg bowl. We need the egg bowl.
I'll give the egg.
Jesus.
Thank God.
Yes,
Success.
sir.
Yes, you need a miss, but you need to do a whisk. 'Cause
Okay.
That's for salt.
The whisk. It's broken.
You need a 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. But this whole thing is a 1/2 cup.
So use the whole thing. Yeah, just do it.
Use the
Trust
whole
me.
thing.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, yeah, 2/6 is a cup.
It needs to be melted, so...
Melted?
Put it in the microwave.
Oh, it literally explodes. So like do that at like 15 second, you know.
Increments.
I'm being useless.
Cindy? Oh, hi. No, you're behind the... You're in front of the... You.
Want to add more matcha?
Keto matcha.
No, I think I might need more flour.
Amplified energy
For
mental performance.
Pink or red shades.
I was thinking that you would look like the person to have...
there.
You-
Sophia, there's egg in there.
Did you...
know. It does taste good.
Cindy taking a drink break.
I think it was my fault because we didn't have regular flour.
Do do do.
I think it was the flour part that messed it up.
Yeah, because it's bread flour. I forgot.
You're a mean one. Mr. Grinch. Is that enough to fill one?
Yeah.
I don't want it to be super thick, so I'm gonna make a thin layer.
Okay.
You don't.
It smells really good.
I know.
Looks a little bit like doo-doo, but I'm sure when it bakes, it's gonna be great.
It's like a sage
Looks
color,
a-
sage green.
It's
Olive green.
yeah, it's like a mixture between like barf green and olive green.
What's going on?
How's it
tastes
taste?
So good.
It's good.
Stop eating it.
It tastes like matcha.
And now Jessie might also die from salmonella.
It tastes so good. I'm not joking. It tastes so good.
Oh my god, it tastes
Wait
like the
until
matcha
it's
ice cream.
done.
It's so good. You want some?
Delicious diseases.
it, Cindy. I'm good, guys.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe when it's baked.
It tastes so good though.
I'm not trying to die right now.
Oh.
Only my opinion matters.
That's true.
Only my.
You're the only one who runs this channel.
She's wearing pigtails, guys. Are we gonna let someone who wears pigtails have an opinion?
Guys, drum roll, please.